Hi guys! Kamusta po kayo? So, meron po tayong mini vlogger today. And the name is, what's your name?
Mommy.
You say hi. Oh, where are you going, Olivia?
Hanggang Disneyland. They go to Hungary. Have fun. Daddy buy me 4 toys.
Hi guys! Welcome again to our YouTube channel. What's up guys and welcome again to our YouTube channel. So for today's episode, special to guys no because meron po tayong kasamang dalawang bata. And yung pupuntahan natin ay sabihin natin medyo kid friendly no na country which is Hong Kong. And pupunta po tayo sa Hong Kong because magse-celebrate po tayo no ng dalawang occasion. Actually tatlong occasion pagsabay-sabay na natin no. And because this is a holiday, sinama po natin yung dalawa nating anak. So, this vlog is dedicated para doon sa mga pamilya or mga nagta-travel kasama ang mga bata, no? So, hindi ko lang alam kung mukha ba sila makulit sa inyo, but for me, yes, they're indeed mga makukulit. Okay, so, papasok na po kami ngayon sa immigration and babalitaan po namin kayo ulit pagbalik namin or after ng immigration. Okay, so time check ngayon guys is past 10 and I'm going to 11 a.m. And medyo hindi siya masyadong punong airport no as usual. And siguro very unusual naman din yung pagka-travel ng ganitong oras no guys. Normally nasa maaga tayo or nasa gabi no, pero yung mga nasa 11, 11:30 no na flight, medyo konti lang talaga yung tao. Okay, so what's good about ngayon dito sa NAIA Terminal 1 is medyo damang-dama mo na yung lamig. Siguro dahil because hindi naman din masyadong maraming tao or siguro nag-anticipate na rin yung yung authorities natin no na maraming pupunta, so inayos na siguro nila yung aircon. So technically medyo conducive and medyo maayos pa din naman yung yung area na to. Okay, so isa din sa mga normally no na napapansin natin sa mga airports is yung convenience ng mga travelers. And dito sa NAIA Terminal 1, again, sadly, medyo nagkulang lang tayo ng konti no sa aspetong yun because kung mapapansin niyo guys dito sa likod ko, kulang yung mga upuan natin and I think yung mga may dalang bata or yung mga may dalang PWDs or mga senior citizens, medyo nagre-rely na lang sila no doon sa wheelchair no para kanilang upuan while waiting for the opening of their gate or kumbaga para kumuha no ng boarding pass. So kung mapapansin niyo sa background ko, again, walang tao, lesser yung travel ngayon no, and the time today is 11:35 no ng umaga. Okay, so yan yung makikita ninyo guys no sa paligid ng NAIA Terminal 1. And again, siguro para sa ating mga manonood dyan or doon sa may chance no, na makaabot to sa ating kinauukulan, dagdagan nyo naman po ng konting upuan para maging convenient din po no yung mga nag-aantay and even doon sa mga naghahatid dito po sa NAIA Terminal 1. Okay? Okay. So katulad po ng sinabi namin sa inyo guys no, today we are traveling with kids, we are traveling with family. So kanina medyo naging smooth po yung pagpasok namin no, magmula pa lamang sa entrance ng Ninoy Aquino Terminal 1 until to the point of our immigration no na interview. So ano po ba yung nangyari? So napaaga tayo ng konti no. And siguro the best thing to do is let's grab muna some bites. And nandito tayo ngayon no, sa NAIA Terminal 1 sa Starbucks. Okay? So tingnan natin kung ano meron sa kanila. I think ilang beses na natin itong na-feature in one way or another no, sa vlog natin. So kung kayo ay merong last minute no, na kailangan puntahan and bigyan ng pasalubong. So, ito yung pinaka-perfect. Mic test. So, kung kayo ay nagko-collect no, ng Starbucks na stickers, so, pwedeng-pwede din pala ninyo siyang kunin dito bago kayo mag-fly out. Okay? So, of course, planners, tumblers, ayan. Oh, so, kasama yan dyan. Okay? So, konting realization lang guys, no? Hindi ko lang alam no, kung talaga ba nagko-collect kayo ng mga planners or what, no? Kasi this, again, time for planner na naman, no? Time of, kumbaga parang planning of what would happen in 2024. Pero, ang totoo, kayo ba talaga ay nagsusulat, no? Napupuno nyo ba talaga ito, no? Because kung susumahin ninyo lahat ng sabihin natin lahat ng stickers, I think 19, no? So, 19 stickers, kahit i-multiply mo na lang yan ng 100, no? Although, hindi ko lang alam kung meron pang 100 pesos na Starbucks. Feeling ko, mas maganda kung bumili na lang kayo, no? ng isang brand new na planner. Pero, sa kabilang dako, doon naman sa mga talagang nangongolek ng stickers, wala namang masama doon. So, I think kanya-kanya lang tayo ng trip and siguro, bumibili ka naman din talaga ng kape, di ba? So, might as well collect the stickers, di ba? So, yan yung mga linyahan, no, ng mga avid Starbucks planner, no, na fans and collector. So, nag-umpisa na guys yung ano natin, no, yung gastos natin sa travel na to. So, first blood, Starbucks lunch. Okay. So, tingnan natin yung mga kasama natin. Say hi to the vlog. Lunchtime. Dapat ano. Yeah, this is the waffle. Wow, waffle! Okay, so in order namin guys is a baked salmon fusilli. And meron tayong salmon sandwich deal. Kain muna tayo and later on bigyan ko kayo ng update. Okay? Hi guys! Kamusta po kayo?
Bye.
So, meron po tayong mini vlogger today. And the name is, what's your name?
Bye.
You say hi.
Hi.
Where are you going, Olivia?
Hanggang Disneyland.
Hong Kong Disneyland. Diretso agad, Hong Kong first. What are you wearing, Olivia?
Jacket.
Jacket. What do you say to your friends and your fans?
Hello.
Hi, hello. You tell them, what do they need to wear when they go to Hong Kong?
T-shirt and pants and dress. And
T-shirt,
short and
pants,
pants.
and pants. What do they
And
need to bring?
shorts.
What do they need to bring?
Bags and toys.
Bags and toys. And then what else?
Backpack.
Backpack. Okay. What will you do sa Hong Kong?
Just toys.
There's a toy. Ano pa? Are you gonna go to Disneyland?
Yeah.
Yay! What will you do sa Disneyland?
Anna dress.
You were gonna wear Anna dress.
Not Rapunzel.
Not the Rapunzel. What kind of dress do you wear? Is it like a princess dress?
Yes, I want Anna dress.
Oh, you want Anna dress. Okay. What else pa? And then, what do you do pa sa Hong Kong?
I didn't know.
You don't know. You tell your friends. You say, let's go to Hong Kong and let's have fun. Okay?
I go to Hong Kong and have fun.
Kung mapansin ninyo, no, meron tayong medyo makukulit, no, na mga batang kasama. Because we're going to celebrate Ollie's birthday sa Hong Kong Disneyland.
And
Okay?
Daddy buy me 4 toys.
Ha?
4 toys.
4 toys? Ang dami naman ng 4 toys. Okay.
Approximately an hour and 40 minutes.
Is it flying What are you eating? So, look at her, guys. Ayan, so kumakain siya ng dried. What's that? Dried pine apple.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I got you. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh no, my face is yellow. How can I do? Help! Help! Help!
Hi guys, kamusta? Nakarating na tayo ngayon sa Hong Kong. And I think sobrang easy lang no nung processing ng immigration. Although sobrang haba lang. And I think ang pinaka naging concern lang namin is ano ba talaga, magpapapalit ba tayo ng pera or mag-withdraw. But remember guys, doon sa una nating vlog, ang sinabi ko sa inyo is yes, kailangan mas better na mag-withdraw na lang ng pera dito because meron ka pang mga losses in Forex. Again, that depends on your experience because sa amin, sa experience namin, parang okay lang kasi minsan na lang naman kami mag-withdraw and technically, mas nakokontrol namin yung pera because alam namin kung magkano or saan and even walang takas yung lahat ng mga bills or lahat no ng mga fees. Okay? So yung SIM card namin guys ay kinuha namin pala dito no sa shop na yan. No? I don't know kung ang shop na ba yan ay 1010 ang tawag. But it seems like it's a 1010. So, nag-offer sila no, ng $98 na 32 gig na good for 30 days. So, sobrang sulit nila. So, kung convert po sa peso, parang mga around mga 700 to 720 pesos lang siya for 32 gig. Good na siya for 30 days. Okay, so right now, ang next step natin is going to the hotel via, of course, using their express train. So, let's go.